I've been on the hunt for a good bath mat that wouldn't slide around, because when the kids get out of the tub, they jump and slide and the rug goes everywhere and it drives me crazy. So I was really excited when a company reached out to me. It is called Matace, I believe, and they have these, it says they are super absorbent nanotechnology surface and non-skid rubber backing. And you can wash them in your machine as much as you want. So I was like, yes, please, I would love these. So they sent me 3 different kinds to try. This first one is the 17 by 27, just a little plain gray rectangle. And I really like it, but there's one I like a lot better. But as you can see, it's really thin, but it's super grippy on the floor. Like, you are not going to be able to push this thing anywhere. And when you step on it, it dries really quickly. I really, really like these. The kids love them. This is the oval one. It is the same 17 by 27 size, and it's okay, but y'all, wait till you see this third one. I am in love. This one. This is my favorite. So they're super absorbent, they dry really quickly, non-slip, they're durable, and dirt resistant. So this is perfect for my house of men. Would you agree? So thank you so much, Matace, for sponsoring this portion of today's video.